Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be comparing Xfinity Stream with YouTube TV. So, YouTube TV has a sleek modern interface with personalized recommendation, voice search and smooth navigation across all your devices. It offers over 100 plus channels including your locals, sports, news and entertainment. As you can see, all the channels are mentioned over here. It gives you unlimited DVR storage for up to 9 months. It also supports 4K with an add-on. If we talk about pricing, as you can see over here, it is currently on $82.99 per month. But if you're a new user, you can save up to $46 over 2 months. And this offer will basically end on 31st of July, so you better run fast. Now, if we talk about Xfinity Stream, so it feels more like a traditional cable box in an app, which is familiar for Xfinity users, but a bit clunkier overall. So it mirrors your Xfinity cable plan, so the channel you get depends on your subscription. It can feel limited unless you pay for more. So it also has cloud DVR, but there's a difference. Xfinity Stream limits your DVR based on your plan, and recordings may auto-delete in as little as 1 month. And if we talk about pricing, Xfinity Stream is bundled with Xfinity Internet or TV, so it might seem cheaper, but it's tied to your location and service. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing both Xfinity TV and YouTube TV. Thank you so much for watching the video.